what about the more high-tech solutions? Some of them are like these sensors that sit on your back, I guess, and then it feeds into your app, which alerts you if your posture's incorrect. Is that useful, or it's just is it more gimmicky?
Again, when we say useful, number one, I know quite a few people that, people love high tech. You can't take it away from people, right? We all do. And I know a lot of people who have invested into, and it's not super expensive either, have invested into these devices. And perhaps they tolerate it for a couple of days, maybe a week or so. I do not know anybody who tolerated those devices for longer than a week, because imagine something is constantly zipping. So it's like every second you go like a zik, every second you go like zik. So I don't know. It would irritate the hell out of me. Honestly, I would not be able to do this. But again, I know plenty of people who've done it. I know plenty of people who threw it out, never put it back, or just pass it to a husband or wife. Says, "Oh, by the way, you should try it," and never touch it again.
Yeah.
And we're looking for long-term solutions. I think in everything we do, whether it's addressing our posture, addressing our chronic conditions, addressing our aesthetics, I know you just as much fan of long-term solution as I am. If you're ready for change, just have that lip lift done. Stop putting stuff into it. It's not gonna last.
Right.
It's sooner or later.
You said it, not me.
Right. So sooner or later, it's gonna get hard and bulky and clumpy, and it's gonna look funny. And bottom line, just have it done. Right. Same thing with if you're ready to have a healthier lifestyle, just start. Find out how you can build the muscles that are supporting you, and start building the muscle. Start coming up with solutions that have no long-term effect, because look, we're looking for neuroplasticity. We're looking for a body to react and develop in new ways, or proper ways, or I would call it old ways, because old ways, that's what we're born with, and that's what we'll lose along the way. But that's what's going to return us back to normal function. Not some device, or not somebody like a mama comes around and starts tapping you on the back. Walk around straight, walk around straight, walk around straight. Okay, it doesn't register, okay? Sooner or later, you're blocking that walk around straight, and it's irritating you. So it doesn't make long-term changes. Yeah. So why do it?
Right. And then some people at work, they've switched over from just sitting at their desk to those standing desks.
And I like that. I think it's a great devices. As a matter of fact, I had the discussion today with my architect who came to be treated, and he says that ever since he started using, he got for the whole office, he got desks that come up as you press the button, that comes up as high as you want, comes down as low as you want, and the whole office changes the positions, and says it really changed the way he feels, his knees, his back, and so on and so forth, which is great. I also like the chairs, or I wouldn't even call it chairs, the sitting stools, right, or whatever they are, that unsupported level, it's kind of wobbly a little bit. So they're different devices. There's like a little medicine bowl that on wheels that you can sit on. There's also a seats that kind of like don't have good stability, so they kind of wobble. And when you sit on it, you have to engage your core muscles to sit straight. Otherwise, you start falling aside. Right. So again, I think it's a great idea to just awaken the proper musculature, supporting musculature that essentially, we were designed with to have us, to have us stable. So again, to have something like this at work, perhaps spending an hour or two on those type of chairs would be not a bad idea if you're really trying to change your posture and engage your core even when you sit.
Next time someone encounters a wobbly chair, they should be thankful for it. They shouldn't throw it out.
Right. I'm not talking about when one leg is shorter than the rest. It's not a restaurant problem.